and welcome to our week 3 already for our nutrition class. I'm going to go ahead and share screen and go over what is due for this week for week 3. So bear with me for just a second while I open up our course here. All right, so you should see our course. Again, this is nutrition, so week 3, and this week a different topic. We're going to be looking at carbohydrates and body composition. So kind of similar to what you did in your discussion last week, where you picked a topic like proteins, fats, or carbohydrates. So here again, looking at carbohydrates and how this affects our body. So typically, I know we think of carbohydrates as a bad thing. We think of pastas and breads, and if we eat too much, weight gain, but you actually need some carbohydrates into your diet. So we'll look at the different types and sources of carbohydrates, look at their impact. So if you have any type of underlying disorders like diabetes or any type of metabolic disorders, how that can impact the amount of carbohydrates you should have in your diet. We'll also look at some things like artificial sweeteners and corn syrup, and looking at body composition and weight as well. So this week, a lot of readings, but not as many assignments, which is a good thing for you, right? So take a look at chapters 4, looking at carbohydrates, chapters 2, looking at body mass index, fat distribution, and chapter 18, looking at under and over and malnutrition. And there's also a couple articles here looking at sugar and high fructose corn syrup as well. Here's a neat interactive slide, and this looks at how to measure obesity. It looks at some of the pros and cons of using a BMI index, an indicator. And then just 2 assignments this week. You have your week 3 quiz, which is due by this Sunday. So just click on it and answer the questions and submit. And then you have an assignment. Here is the template to the assignment, the body composition. And this one is assessing body weight and body composition. So both the week 3 quiz and the week 3 assignment due by this coming Sunday. Let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to reading your assignments looking at body index and body composition.